Hey everyone! Ever dreamt of making a splash in the booming health and wellness industry without even breaking a sweat? Well, stick around because today I'm diving into something that's not just innovative, but could also be your next big income stream. Introducing AutoHealthSites, a revolutionary platform that's reshaping how people like you and me can enter the health website market. Imagine this, creating fully loaded, professional-looking health websites in less than 60 seconds. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's how it works. With AutoHealthSites, you get access to ready-made health supplements, fitness videos, yoga courses, meditation guides, and much more. It's like having a virtual warehouse at your fingertips. And the best part? You don't need any technical skills. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so anyone can create a stunning website with just a few clicks. Now, let's talk business. This isn't just about building websites, it's about making money. Users have reported earning between $1,000 to $2,000 per website by selling these sites on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Imagine creating a website in a minute and then flipping it for thousands of dollars, all on autopilot. But that's not all. Each site comes equipped with tools like a calorie calculator and a workout planner, adding even more value for your clients. These aren't just websites. They're comprehensive health hubs that businesses and individuals would love to own. So, whether you're looking to start a new side hustle or want to dive full-time into the health and wellness industry, AutoHealthSites offers you a golden ticket. Why wait? The health industry is booming, and with AutoHealthSites, you're not just riding the wave, you're making the waves. Alright, that's it for today. If you're interested in the world of health tech and looking for a new adventure, AutoHealthSites might just be what you need to get started. Check it out, and who knows, your next project could be just a click away. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.